Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to have the unboxing of the Amoi V8 or the Amoi V8 TWS 5.0 Bluetooth earphones. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Josh here, and now is we have here our AMOI V8 TWS 5.0 Bluetooth earphones, and we ordered it from Shopee. And if you want, you can also order it from AliExpress or another online shopping site. And luckily, I got this for only 500 pesos, or that's around 10 US dollars. Alright, so now let's unbox it. And although the box, guys, is deformed, the product itself is still enclosed with the bubble wrap, so we don't have to really worry about it. And here it is, guys. So in the box, yeah, there is a kind of pouch, which is good. So this is a kind of, it's not really like plastic, but it's more a little bit like cloth. Yeah, so it feels good, guys, and I think it's water resistant if I'm not mistaken. And I'm so sorry, guys, I cannot really use my index finger, my left index finger, because I cut myself while while doing something. All right, guys, so here is the box. So yes, in front you can see there the TWS picture. Yes, and it's a true wireless stereo Bluetooth headset. And on the other side, we have here the colors, the white, no, the black color. Yeah, and another color, they have the white and also yellow and the black and white version. Okay, and the sides. And the other one, it has also here pick up, down, pick up or down, play or pause, volume up and down, next or previous, and voice operation. And at the back, so you can see here the specifications. Alright guys, so upon opening the box, you can see here the earphones with its charging case also. So let's take it out. Alright, so here it is, guys, in black color. Okay, so here is the case, and in front you can see here the left and the right. I'm not sure what it means, but I think maybe it's for battery. And at the back, so you can see here the charging port, I think the micro USB charging port. Alright, so let's set this aside first. And the other one we have here, the charging cable, the micro USB charging cable. Yes, so it's not that very long, guys. So, and here are the extra earbuds. Yes, the rubber. So there are 4 pieces and 2 pairs. Alright, so now let's open our AMOI or Amoi earphones. Okay, so it's done, guys. Here it is. Let's just try to focus. And okay, as you can see here, there are the earphones. Let's take it out. So this is the right and the left. And let's take the plastic area here and the other plastic cover, and let's try to, and then guys, Upon opening the box, so you can see that our earphones, they're already lighting. So it has the red and the blue colored, yeah, lights in here. And also with the other earphones. I'm not sure why it's not lighting, but the other one is. So let's try, and here is the charging case, guys. So you can see here there are 4 pins there, and I think that is for charging. Yes, that is for charging, guys. And okay, so let's try to put it back. And this one also. Oh, and let's go. Okay, now we have here 90%, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that is the battery, or the battery percentage. So it means that it is charging, guys. So this is the charging case of our AMOI earphones. So it's 88. So I am going to try this out, and I will give you my feedback later on. Alright guys, so let's try to listen to Spotify, and hoping that our AMOI will be detected. And let's turn on our Bluetooth, and let's search for it. Ta-da! Okay, it's now detecting our V8 earphones. It said here couldn't connect. I don't know why. So let's pair it again. So it said Bluetooth pairing request. Okay. And now it's already connected, guys. Listening at a high volume for a long time may damage your hearing. Thank you for that. So let's turn on our Spotify, guys. And I will listen to it, and I will give you my feedback. Alright guys, so I'm now listening. And the volume is, I think it's 80%. Alright, so now guys, I'm done using it, and I think there is a slight negative comment that I have for this, is that the bass is a little bit broken. I'm not sure how it how we can describe it, but when you turn it in a high volume, so it sounds like a little bit like broken. Yeah, so I can hear some static noise in there. So with the volume is just low, it's okay, but when you try to turn the volume higher, then it's not so good. Yes, and I also realized, guys, that the touch area here is also used to like pause the, okay, as you can see there in my phone, when I try to touch it here, the earphones area, so it is playing, and then when I touch it again, it is in the pause mode, guys. So this is in the left area, and what about the right? So let's see. I think they function different. I think they have the same function, so let's try it. Yeah, it's also, as you can see, it's playing, and when I try to touch it here, it's also in pause, guys. Alright, so I will be using this one for a week, guys, and I will test its battery life and also with its quality. Alright, so if you want to know more about the specifications of the product, I put it in the description box, so just for you to give you the detailed about the detailed specs of this earphones, guys. Alright, so if you have any questions, guys, about our AMOI earphones, just comment down below. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on my next video.